to the shores where only heroes are born. Only if you knew Jamaica as well as I do, then you would utter, I love you, Jamaica! God knows I do. This is Jamaica, a simple speck in the universe, our heartbeat and pulse in every nation, but only second to the kingdom of God. We put Jamaica first. I am Jamaican, regardless of where may be. Black, green, and gold is the marrow in my bones. So if I died away from my island, I pray to God, you take me home.
Tell me the mountain, don't speak the truth. Tell me the mountain, don't speak the truth. January, February, March, April, May.